Juicy, buttery, and loaded with flavor. These garlic butter steak bites are your new weeknight obsession. That sizzling garlic butter, pure magic. Serve with mashed potatoes, rice, or keep it low carb with veggies. Ready in under 15 minutes. It's steakhouse flavor with none of the fuss or price. If you're new here, my name is Lei. I'm a passionate home cook to combine my love for delicious food with the thrill of exploring new places around the world. Let's get cooking. Prep the steak. Trim some of the fat and cut the steak into bite-sized cubes. Place the steak bites in a shallow baking dish. Season with olive oil, salt, and pepper on all sides. I used 1.5 teaspoons of salt for 2 pounds of steak and 1 teaspoon of pepper and let it marinate. Next, prep the butter. Chop the garlic and fresh rosemary. Add both to the melted butter. Also add some dried thymes and a teaspoon of Chinese oyster sauce for the umami flavor. Shh, this is my secret. Wash and trim asparagus. Place them in a medium pot and season with salt, pepper, and olive oil. Next, move on with the steak again. Sear the steak. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add olive oil. Swirl the pan to coat oil evenly. Once hot, add steak cubes in a single layer in a pan. Don't overcrowd the pan. Cook in batches if needed. I did in 2 batches. Sear for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until browned. Cover with a splash guard. When done, remove and set aside. Repeat the same for the second batch of steak cubes. Return the first batch of steak bites into the pan and add the infused butter. Cook for a few minutes until the butter is evenly coated with the steak bites and the liquid mostly evaporates. Off camera, while the steak bites were simmered with butter, in a medium pot with water, boil the asparagus with half a cup of water for a few minutes. Time to serve. Plate the steak bites onto a platter with boiled asparagus and top with parsley. A low-carb twist, but you can serve with mashed potatoes, rice, or a piece of crusty bread. And there you have it. Tender, juicy, garlic butter steak bites, ready in just minutes. Whether you are serving them over mashed potatoes, rice, or sneaking bites straight from the pan, no judgment. This one is a guaranteed hit. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.